أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وإنا لموفوهم نصيبهم غير منقوص.
So be not in doubt regarding what these people worship. They worship only as their ancestors worshipped before. We will pay them their due in full, without any reduction.